This video on circular product design walks you through a design method. We will share about its structure, its scoring system, and how it supports real-world decision-making. Design teams need a clear, structured way to evaluate where they stand and how they move forward. That's where the circular product readiness method comes in. This method was created to bridge the gap between strategy and execution, offering product designers a practical tool to assess, compare, and improve circular performances across the entire product lifecycle. Whether you're just beginning your circular journey or refining an advanced approach, this method helps you translate vision into measurable progress. As we move from circular strategy to practical implementation, two key questions emerge. What guidelines can help teams embed circularity into the design process? And how can they uncover both strengths and areas for improvement? The circular product readiness method offers a structured answer, providing clear indicators and a life cycle-based assessment to guide teams towards more circular outcomes. Let's explore how this method works. This video takes you through the circular product readiness method, a comprehensive circular design assessment method specifically developed for designers. It's the first method of its kind to assess circular product design across a broad range of dimensions, helping teams evaluate how ready their products are for a circular economy. The method distinguishes between 4 levels of readiness, revealing not only where a company excels, but also where it can improve. It works by applying product design semantics to evaluate key aspects of circularity, taking a full life cycle perspective from sourcing to recovery. Most importantly, it was built for industry use, tested and refined in real-world design settings to support practical decision-making. When you're designing a new product or improving an existing one, the circular product readiness method helps you move from intention to impact. Over 20 rounds of design iterations, knowledge co-production sessions, and a comprehensive literature review shaped the final set of themes and indicators. This resulted in a robust framework of 6 themes and associated indicators, as shown on the slide, each one capturing a critical dimension of circular product design. We begin with strategy and planning, which ensures circularity is embedded in the company's strategic direction. It evaluates budget allocation, access to expertise, alignment with multiple use cycles, and the clarity of the circular value proposition. From there, hardware and software design, which focuses on the product's physical and digital architecture, assessing material choices, durability, standardization, repairability, and support for software updates to extend product lifecycle. Next, customer experience and care brings the user into the loop. It includes onboarding, offboarding, and use efficiency, ensuring the experience supports sustainable behavior and product longevity. To keep products in use, product support services provides the tools and services to maintain and upgrade products, including warranty coverage, professional service availability, and access to spare parts. Then recirculation service closes the loop, retrieving products and materials so that they can be reused, refurbished, or recycled, ensuring they re-enter the value chain instead of becoming waste. And finally, recoverability ensures that even at the end of the life, products are designed to be easy to disassemble, refurbish, remanufacture, or recycle to maximize resource recovery. Together, these 6 themes form a connected system, guiding teams to design not just better products, but better futures. The method offers a comprehensive way to assess circular design maturity built around 63 targeted questions spread across 6 key themes. This question set allows companies to uncover strengths, spot improvement areas, and even compare multiple products side by side. To begin the assessment, teams work through each question, which defines the scope of what was being evaluated. The answer options, however, reflect the level of readiness, ranging from planned, initiated, to fully implemented. This flexibility is crucial. For example, if a design activity is still in development, it can be marked accordingly, giving a realistic picture of the progress. Questions can also be marked as not applicable to tailor the assessment to specific product types and contexts. This makes the method adaptable across industries and product categories. Once completed, the assessment generates a detailed report. This multi-layered output supports strategic planning, design road mapping, and long-term circular innovation. A structured scoring system is used to assess circularity across 4 levels. Scoring begins at the level of the individual question, then rolls up to the indicator, themes, and finally into a single aggregate score. Each question can earn a maximum of 1 point. All questions, indicators, and themes are weighted equally because their relevance depends on the specific product being assessed. However, if needed, industry experts can adjust the weighting to better reflect sector-specific priorities. To calculate the score, simply add up the points for a given unit, whether it's a theme, indicator, or question, and divide by the total possible score for that unit. This results in a clear percentage that reflects circular readiness. The scoring approach offers both detail and flexibility, helping teams pinpoint strengths, identify gaps, and track progress over time. To make circular readiness easy to understand and apply, the method includes a visual scoring tool designed for clarity, speed, and relevance. The design team adopted a radial structure where scores are mapped across multiple axes of evaluation. These scores are displayed using both lines and numbers, while colors help distinguish between different indicators, making the visual intuitive and informative. The visual is designed to ensure coherence and ease of communication. The Circular Product Readiness Method equips design teams with practical, multi-dimensional tools to evaluate how well products align with circular economy principles. By combining a structured assessment, flexible scoring, and intuitive visualization, it transforms complex sustainability goals into actionable insights. With its adaptable framework and lifecycle perspective, the method supports informed decision-making, whether you're refining an existing product or building a new one from the ground up.